Hello girls, I'm Navyata from FOMO Fashion on My Home. I'd recently been to the US and the most obvious shopping that I did there was makeup. And since we all know New York is supposed to be a makeup paradise, which it really was. So today's video is a makeup haul video, so keep watching to know what all I got. So I'm going to start with my most favorite buys, which are these really nice lipsticks by Wet n Wild. Before I went out shopping there, I made it a point to do a little bit of research, and I found out that these lipsticks were a hit with almost all the YouTubers. And I'm not surprised why, because they are so amazing. They cost only $2 and they're so pigmented. They glide on really easily, they are beautiful colors, and they can give serious competition to some of the really high-end lipsticks. I've swatched the lipsticks for you so you can take a closer look at the colors. Bare It All, Mauve Out of Here, Just Peachy, 041 and Think Pink. Also from the drugstore, I picked up this lip pencil, which is by Rimmel London in the shade 011 Spice. It's actually on my lips right now and I really like the color. And I picked up this lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. It's a very nude shade, very plain. And again, this is on my lips right now. It is one of my favorites. And this moisturizing lip balm by Clinique in the shade Pudgy Peony. And this is not on my lips right now, but it's one of my favorites because it moisturizes your lips really well and it adds a hint of color. So, days when you don't want to apply any makeup, you just wear this and still look glamorous. Now coming to the eyes, I picked up this eyeshadow palette from Too Faced, which is called the Natural Eye. And trust me, this is one of my most favorite products ever. Just look at the colors, they're all beautiful, they're so pigmented. And I think all these colors really go very well with the Indian skin tone. This is like my go-to palette. It was slightly expensive, yes, it cost me $36, but I do not regret spending a penny because I absolutely love this palette. So if you ever manage to get your hands on this product, I think you should really go and get it. Another palette that I got from the drugstore was this Wet n Wild palette, which is called 380B Walking on Eggshells. It's a very basic everyday use palette. It's really nice, natural and very pigmented and inexpensive, so that makes it really good. The other palette that I got, not a palette, but these are these two shades of eyeshadows that I got from Victoria's Secret. It's a nice blue and a nice dark shimmery shade, very nice colors, and this cost me about $3. Now coming to my next favorite buy. I know I'm using the word favorite way too often in this video, but I really can't help it because all the products that I bought are really that good. So I picked up this cream eyeliner by e.l.f. and it comes along with this angled brush, and it is one of the best brushes I've used till date. And this is what the cream eyeliner looks like. It's super dark, it glides on very easily, it's really awesome. And I got this mascara from Lancome, which is called Hypnostar. The mascara actually cost $28, but I picked it up for $11. And that was a steal because I got it from an outlet mall. And this is also really good. It gives your eyelashes the effect of false eyelashes without actually wearing false lashes. So this is really good. And I picked up this nude eyeliner pencil from Rimmel London. And this one's okay. I don't know why, but it just didn't suit my eyes that much. I prefer using the white eyeliner pencil, but it's fine because it was really inexpensive. Apart from the makeup, I also picked up a couple of hair care products from the drugstore, and which have gone down really well with my hair, so I wanted to share that with you as well. This serum is by John Frieda and it's called Frizz Ease, and it's suitable for humid climate and it's really nice. And I picked up this shine spray, which is by OGX. It's called the Brazilian Keratin Therapy. This is one of my favorites. It actually adds that shine and luster to your hair. And this conditioner is by Aussie. It's called the 3-Minute Miracle Color, and as you guys know, I color my hair pretty often, so this conditioner has been working very well with my hair. And lastly, I picked up this, it's a kind of a hair mask but they call it a conditioner. It is by Wella. It's called Brilliance, and I think this one is a little more intense than the Aussie conditioner. I would use this probably once in 15 days, but the Aussie conditioner is for more regular wear. But this one is really good. It really softens my hair. It's superb. So guys, this was my makeup and beauty haul video. These were some of my best buys and hence I wanted to share it with you. Let me know if you have used any of these products and your experience with them, and if you would want me to do any more haul videos in the future, do let me know in the comment section down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fashion on my own. Bye.